What is the largest land animal on earth? Option A. African elephant. Option B. Giraffe. Or option C. Blue whale. The great answer is African elephant. Which bird is known for its beautiful plumage and is often associated with dancing? Option A. Peacock. Option B. Penguin. Or option C. Ostrich. The correct answer is option A. Peacock. Which of the following is a marsupial native to Australia? Option A. Lemur. Option B. Kangaroo. Or option C. Koala. The correct answer is option B. Kangaroo. What is the world's largest species of penguin? Option A. Imperial penguin. Option B. Gannett penguin. Option C. King penguin. The correct answer is option A. Imperial penguin. What is the primary diet of pandas? Option A. Bamboo. Option B. Salmon. Or option C. Termites. The correct answer is option A. Bamboo. Which species of turtle is known for its distinct hinged shell? Option A. Box turtle. Option B. Green sea. Or option C. Leatherback turtle. The correct answer is option A. Box turtle. What is the largest species of penguin found in Antarctica? Option A. Imperial penguin. Option B. Little penguin. Or option C. Gannett penguin. The correct answer is option A. Imperial penguin. What is the national bird of the United States? Option A. Bald eagle. Option B. American robin. Or option C. Pigeon. The great answer is option A. Bald eagle. What is the largest species of shark in the world? Option A. Great white shark. Option B. Hammerhead shark. Or option C. Whale shark. The great answer is option C. Whale shark. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Option A. Horse. Option B. Camel. Or option C. Zebra. The great answer is option B. Camel. What is the largest species of penguin found in Antarctica? Option A. Imperial penguin. Option B. Imperial penguin. Or option C. Gannett penguin. The great answer is option A, emperor penguin. What is the national symbol of Australia? Option A, koala. Option B, kangaroo. Or option C, platypus. The great answer is option B, kangaroo. Which of these is a venomous snake found in North America? Option A, rattlesnake. Option B, python. Or option C, anaconda. The great answer is option A, rattlesnake. What is the largest species of penguin found outside of Antarctica? Option A, emperor penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, little blue penguin. The great answer is option B, king penguin. Which animal is known as a marsupial with a paws and a prehensile tail? Option A, kangaroo. Option B, platypus. Or option C, opossum. The great answer is option C, opossum. Which big cat is known for its distinct rosette patterns on its coats? Option A, cheetah. Option B, lion. Or option C, leopard. The great answer is option C, leopard. What is the world's smallest mammal? Option A, elephant shrew. Option B, bumblebee bat. Or option C, a stoat. The great answer is option C, a stoat. Which of these animals is a marsupial that carries its young in a pouch? Option A, platypus. Option B, kangaroo. Or option C, zebra. The great answer is option B, kangaroo. Which insect is known for bright bioluminescence and is often referred to as ray? Option A, dragonfly. Option B, firefly. Or option C, butterfly. The great answer is option B, firefly. What is the largest species of penguin native to Australia? Option A, imperial penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, little blue penguin. The great answer is option C, little blue penguin. Which animal is known as the giant panda and is native to China? Option A, red panda. Option B, koala. Or option C, giant panda. The great answer is option C, giant panda. What is the slowest moving mammal on the earth? Option A, sloth. Option B, armadillo. Or option C, tortoise. The correct answer is option A, sloth. What is the largest species of penguin found in the Galapagos Island? Option A, imperial penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, Galapagos penguin. The correct answer is option C, Galapagos penguin. Which type of snake is known for its rattle on the tail used as a warning signal? Option A, anaconda. Option B, python. Or option C, rattlesnake. The correct answer is option C, rattlesnake. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes and is native to Africa? Option A, horse. Option B, zebra. Or option C, donkey. The correct answer is option B, zebra. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Option A, Kiwi. Option B, zebra. Or option C, donkey. The correct answer is option A, kiwi. Which animal is known for its ability to regrow lost limbs? Option A, lizard. Option B, starfish. Or option C, octopus. The correct answer is option B, starfish. Which big cat is known for its distinction men typically found in Africa? Option A, leopard. Option B, cheetah. Or option C, lion. The great answer is option C, lion. What is the fattest animal in the world? Option A, cheetah. Option B, ostrich. Or option C, greyhound. The great answer is option C, greyhound. What is the largest species of penguin found in South America? Option A, imperial penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, megalithic penguin. The correct answer is option C, megalithic penguin. What is the largest species of shark that is considered a whale? Option A, hammerhead shark. Option B, bull shark. Or option C, whale shark. The correct answer is option C, whale shark. Which of the following is not a big cat? Option A, cheetah. Option B, lynx. Or option C, snow leopard. The correct answer is option B, lynx. What is the national animal of India? Option A, elephant. Or option B, Bengal tiger, or option C, lion. The great answer is option B, Bengal tiger. Which type of bear is native to the Arctic and known for its white fur? Option A, brown bear. Option B, black bear. Or option C, polar bear. The great answer is option B, black bear. What is the largest species of penguin found in the Southern Ocean? Option A, Imperial Ocean. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, Chinese strap penguin. The great answer is option B, king penguin. What is the national animal of Canada? Option A, beaver. Option B, moose. Or option C, polar bear. The great answer is option B, moose. What is the smallest species of monkey? Option A, capuchin monkey. Or option B, tarsier. Or option C, howler monkey. The great answer is option B, tarsier. Which animal is known for its long neck and is native to Africa? Option A, giraffe. Option B, ostrich. Or option C, zebra. The great answer is option A, giraffe. What is the world's largest species of penguin found in the Antarctic region? Option A, imperial penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, Geneto penguin. The correct answer is option B, king penguin. What is the largest species of sea turtle? Option A, leatherback turtle. Option B, green sea turtle. Or option C, hawksbill turtle. The correct answer is option A, leatherback turtle. Which bird is known for its ability to make humic speech? Option A, pigeon. Option B, parrot. Or option C, sparrow. The correct answer is option B, parrot. What is the largest species of bat? Option A, fruit bat. Option B, flying fox. Or option C, little brown bat. The correct answer is option B, flying fox. What is the largest species of penguin found in the sub-Antarctic region? Option A, imperial penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, Chinese trap penguin. The great answer is giant strap penguin. What is the world's smallest breed of a horse? Option A, Shetland pony. Option B, Clydesdale. Or option C, Arabian horse. The great answer is Shetland pony. Which species of shark is known for its attended head and distinct hammer-like shape? Option A, great white shark. Option B, hammerhead shark. Or option C, tiger shark. The great answer is option B, hammerhead shark. What is the national bird of the United Kingdom? Option A, robin. Option B, swan. Or option C, red kite. The great answer is option A, robin. Which animal is known for its spiral horn and is native to Africa? Option A, antelope. Option B, impala. Or option C, kudu. The great answer is option A, antelope. What is the largest species of penguin found in New Zealand? Option A, Imperial penguin. Option B, king penguin. Or option C, Fiordland penguin. The great answer is option C, Fiordland penguin. What is the national animal of China? Option A, dragon. Option B, giant panda. Or option C, tiger. The great answer is option C, tiger. Which of the following is a venomous snake found in the Middle East and North Africa? Option A, cobra. Option B, mamba. Or option C, viper. The great answer is option C, viper. Thanks for playing this quiz. Drop in your score in comments.